Yeah. So today's topic will be Java reflection. So what is reflection? See, reflection is a concept in Java, which takes care of or which talks about introspecting a particular class. Basically, it's called, when you say introspection, our program can look into itself. Okay, so the have different classes. For example, maybe I'm importing some classes, or I'm writing my own classes. Now I want to introspect. When I say introspect, I want to see what are the different methods inside my class, different fields inside my class, and what are their modifiers, whether they are private, public, or protected. Okay, and if I have methods, can I list out those methods? If I have fields within a class, can I list out all those fields? So this is called introspection. Okay, introspection is nothing but look into our own class or some other class also. Okay, so this concept helps you to just go deep inside your classes. Okay, and find out what are the different methods are there, what are the different fields available over there. So all these things you can do. Okay, so that is what we'll practically do. So let us see how do we do it. So I'll just go to my NetBeans, new project, Java application. I'll say next. I'll say my reflect. My reflect. This is my project. So I just say finish. Sorry. So my reflect is a package. This is my public class. My reflect is my class, which has got public static void main. Okay. So inside this particular main method, I'm going to start my coding. The first thing is, whenever you want to reflect, okay, or introspect a particular class, you have to create an object, okay, for that particular class. When I say object of the particular class, it should be a class object, class type object. So for example, if I introspect scanner class, okay, I should not create an object of scanner class. I should create, okay, a class, okay, which is called CLASS. So look at this, CLASS. C is equal to, I'll just say class dot for name, and within double quotation I can give any class I want to introspect. So this is called a class object. Okay, this is called class object. See, we are not creating. For example, if I just say java dot util dot scanner. Scanner is one of the classes, okay, inside util package. Now, if you want to introspect this particular scanner class, I should create an object of class type. Okay, an object of class type, not object of scanner type. I should create an object of class type. That means you are creating a class object here. You are creating a class object for scanner class. Okay, this is different from scanner class object. Okay, we have to create a class object. So that is called this C. Now it will throw some error. Look at this. It just says unreported exception, class not found exception. Suppose if the class which you are typing with the double quotation, if it is not there, what should happen? So better what we'll do, we'll just either try put within try catch, try, okay, catch, then I can say exception, E, then I can say E dot print stack trace. Okay, so we are catching the exception. Okay, see, try block is having the class dot for name method call. Basically, for name is a static method which is inside class, CLASS, class called class. Okay, the name of the class itself is called class. Okay, fine. Now we have got the class object called C. Now using C we can retrieve methods, fields, everything. So what I'll do first, let me retrieve all the methods in scanner class. So I'll just say method. Okay, so when you say scanner class, it may contain multiple methods. So I'll just say MTS is my array of methods. Then I'll say C dot get declared. Look at this, declared annotation, declared methods, classes, declared constructors, fields, methods. So let me call methods. Look at this. Now there is an error. Just click on this. Add import for Java lang reflect dot method. So of course this method is a class. Capital M, it's a class. which is in reflect package. So I click on it. Okay, I'll click on it. So look at this. So I got resolved. Look at this. I got it resolved. See, this basically is a method. You see, for every method within your class. For example, we are introspecting scanner class. The scanner class may have multiple methods. For example, you see, next is a method, next int is a method. Okay, so now everything is a method. Now what you will get? You will get an array of method. Okay, so basically this method this method is a class, method class. Okay, so when I say method class, for every method which is in the scanner class, okay, you will get an entry here. You will get an entry here. Okay, so now see, for example, next is a method. Okay, next int is a method, next float is a method. All are in scanner class. So for every method, now you will get an object of method. Okay, object of method. Fine. So you are not getting the method name. You are getting an object of that method. So what I'll do. So I'll just print and show you. Okay, first for I can use a for loop method mts. Okay, so basically it's kind of it's iterating. Okay, from mts. I mean, MTS is an array of method. Okay, fine. Now every element within that array is taken to yum, and now I'll just system. Okay, system dot out dot println. I'll say yum dot get a name. I'll get the name of the method. Look at this. First, let me just display it. Okay, now within scanner class, okay, I'll just get all the method names. So you can just see right here, click here. Look at this, all are methods of scanner class. Look at this. Let us go through it. You see, remove, toString, hash next. There are 3 hash next methods because of overloading. Okay, then next is a method, next int, maybe next. There are 4 overloaded next methods. Then close, reset, skip. All are methods. All are methods of scanner class. Okay, so let me just minimize this. Yeah. Now what I'll do? Okay, I'll apart from get name, I want to get. Okay, what are the different modifiers for that? M dot get. For every method, you just say get. Of course, you can say class. Class will get method only. Get declared default value. Okay. So get name, we got it. Okay, then we'll say get declaring class. Get modifiers. Okay. I think modifiers almost for all the methods. You should see modifiers. A private. See, public means 1. Private means 2. Protected means 4. These are the modifiers. So let us see what are the different modifiers for these methods. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, of course, different modifiers are there. I'll just show some of the modifiers. See, one means remove. Remove is public. toString is public. All are public. See, next is 4161. This is something different. It's a combination of public, static, some kind of thing. Okay, let us see. Let us identify what is it. Okay, I'll just tell you how to see. Of course, 10. 2 chars has got 10 as its modifier. See, as I told you, 1 is for public, 2 for private, and 4 for protected. Okay, then let us identify bool pattern. This bool pattern, it's giving 10 as modifiers. So let us say bool pattern. Okay, so I can say I'll just display this. How do I display? Just see fm dot get name is equal to bool pattern. If it's bool pattern, let us see. Let us see the modifier. Yeah, its pattern is 10. So let us identify how to see that. So I just control click on this. I think I'm not getting it. So what I'll just create a scanner class. SCR is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, fine. Now look at this. I will just click. I just import this. It's in util.scanner. Okay. Now I'll just See, once the error has gone, I just click on that. Let us control F. Now control F. Bool pattern. See, bool pattern. Yeah. So you see, bool pattern is private static volatile. Okay. So private static volatile has got value 10. Okay, has got modifier value 10. Private static volatile. Okay, look at this. Private static volatile. Okay, now let us see that. Okay, it's private static volatile. Okay, I remember that. Now I just remove it. So we got all the names of the methods. Now what I'll do, I want to I just comment it out. I want to what are the different fields over there. So what I'll say, field array. So method is a class, field is also a class. Okay, for all the fields now you will get an object of an array of fields. Okay, so I see FDS is equal to, I'll just say C dot get declared declared fields. Then what I'll do, I want to I just click on this. Yeah, field. Okay, so it's an array of field. A field is basically it's a class. It got imported. Now what I'll do, I'll just again use a for loop for field F colon FDS. I'll just say system dot out dot println F dot get name. So let us display all the fields. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, you see these are the fields of this scanner class. Look at this. Position matcher. Okay, source closed. Okay, now let us see modifiers of them. Modifier private, protected, public, whatever it is. So I'll just go here. F dot get modifiers. Okay, just run it. Yeah, I see. Some of them are 2. Okay, look at this. Okay, 26. 26 is also some type actually. 2 means basically it is okay private. 1 is public, 2 is private. So fields are always many fields are always private. Okay, look at this. Many fields are private. Then 10 means public static volatile. Okay, so you can just see these are the fields, different fields. Of course, we can bring out all the private fields, public fields, everything we can bring out using a user interface kind of application. Okay, that's a different program you can do. Okay, now these are you introspect a built-in class. A built-in class means of course a class which is available in a package, imported package. Okay, imported package. Now, if I want to introspect my own class, what should I do? Okay, so what I can do, I just say class my own. I will create a class called my own. Simply I am giving name. It can be any name. So here I'll say private int x. Private. Okay, not I'll just say public. So that we'll get different modifiers. Int y. Then protected int z. Okay, so I have 3 fields within my own class, and I will just create the constructors, everything. So I right click here. I just go inside, right click here, insert code, create a constructor, select all, generate. So a constructor was created. Okay, then I'll just right click here, generate code, getter and setter methods for all, select all, generate. So you see we got a getter and setter method, everything. Fine. Now how do we introspect this particular class, my own class? So what you do, you go here. Okay, just remove this. Okay, then you give the complete path name. What is the complete path name? My reflect is a package name. My reflect is a package name. So I'll just say my reflect dot my own. That's it. My own is a class name. Look at this. My own is a class name. Okay, so let us see. I'll just what are the different fields you'll get right now. the X, Y, Z will get. Look at this. I see X, Y, Z. See, X is private, Y is public, and Z is protected. We got it. Okay, fine. In the same way, I want to get all the methods. So I'll just comment this. Okay, uncomment this. So I'll get all the methods. So get X, get Y, everything I'll get. Look at this. Yeah, set X, get X, set Y, get Y, all are methods. But all I've got in a public access. So that is why you got no one as modifier. Okay, fine. So these are, you introspect either an imported class, okay, which is already available in one of the packages, or you can create our own, class, and provided that class is okay somewhere within our, package, and give the complete, path of the package name dot then class name. Okay, fine. So hope this session was useful. Okay, we will discuss some other interesting discussion using user interface with some other example. Thank you.